Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's adventure, I'm going to go for a little bit of a ride to some smaller Bayside unknown beaches here in San Diego, just inside Shelter Island. The two beaches down here that are pretty well known are Kellogg Beach and La Playa. One of the other things I want to test out is something I've known about in California, which is that there is no such thing as private access to the water. There's no such thing as a private beach. So this little bit of spit of land over here, I just noticed, called Lindsay Beach, technically is a public beach. It's 1 5-star review and no real image that shows public access. So I'm a little curious. Is it a public beach or is it not? So we'll go down and we'll have ourselves a little bit of a walk, a little bit of an explore, and we'll check out and see if this beach is actually a public access beach. Maybe you can only get there during low tide. I don't know. Curious. Let's go find out. Half-pound of rosemary chicken first. Okay guys, as I've said, due to unique California laws, no coastline is private. And they're not really advertising this, but technically there has to be a beach access here. No signs say that, but I wouldn't advertise it either. There you go. Out onto the beach. Cannot go into the yacht club, but this is coastline, therefore it's ours for the day.
Raised by the rain, saved by the pain, ain't but a thing.
So we'll have to watch the tide. It is coming in. I am hungry. Are we doing this?
My mind still on dreams. Soon as my eyes roll open, come good tokens. I've been training myself to add cheese to the picture. Smile go far, self-grace is worth.
So here's what I'm thinking. We found our little beach. We've proven our public access point, but it's going to be really, really difficult to cook up a little something here. It is just a little spit of land is all it really is. The rest of it is, as you can see, is still public access, but quite conspicuous. And again, same, no level land, no real nice space to cook up a little something. So I'm gonna relocate. We found it. This is Lindsay Beach, but we're gonna go over to La Playa and Kellogg and find a spot over there instead.
When you go without for dinner, and I wasn't even a teen yet. I learned that from my jeans stretch. I moderate now more cause I'm eating. Yes, I tolerate lactose with the cheese in. The pace is present, live in the future now, can't waste a second. Gotta eat beast when I lack protein. Clean drip, it don't even need chlorine. Slim from the dirt and your knees folks green. I can teach them best, it ain't no situation you can't finesse. Keep your head high, learn what you worth for taste. Serve 24 until you in your round of rest. Now thanks for eating Southern Cafe, here's the check.
this will do us. Got a little tabletop there. Might even cook down here at the bottom level. Did not know. But I think maybe I could have driven the car over here.
Never know what we don't show.
I think so. We've got plenty to look at. First things first. Hygiene, of course.
Still waters run deep. We could use some parental advice. 'Cause we're up when the neighbors go to sleep. The kids want a pool. Open the curtains, renewing the neighborhood.
Not giving ourselves a lot of cutting surface here. Speaking of, I think I have left my green cutting board out of my kit.
Put on a smile, close the door, let's go upstairs. Put on a smile, close the door, let's go upstairs. Put on a smile, close the door, let's go upstairs. They'll never know what we don't show.
A little soy, a little bit of oil.
The kids want a pool. Open the curtains, renewing the neighborhood. First impression cannot be removed. And no one know what we do. You have to make it. Open the curtains. The first impression. And no one know what we do.
Oh no! We did confirm lose the fork. We lost the fork. Fork will have to be cleaned. Very difficult to film this one with one hand and eat. As you see today, we didn't go with a bench or a table of any type. We're just right on the rocks, so I'm gonna have a hard time trying to do that with one hand. I'll try my best, but I've already had a little bit and it's really good. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's see if we can go here. late lunch. So, as you saw from Iowa Meats, we got the rosemary chicken. From the house we had broccoli, onion, carrot, and green pepper. We cooked up first. Got nice and soft. Yeah, the rosemary chicken. I've never actually tried the pre-marinated rosemary chicken from Iowa Meats. It's pretty good.
Pa poder verte, te quemas libre en mi mente, te llevo al paraíso, guayaba, guayaba, guayaba. Si te caes del árbol te atraparé, abrirte completamente para beberte.
Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, smash that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one.